Welcome to Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. It's a 2011 Nissan Frontier truck. This is a crew cab. It's got the 4 doors. Hippo Gray Metallic is the name of the color. It's kind of unique. It's got a pearl to it. It's an SV package. It's got towing package. Got your bed liner. These are good trucks, very reliable, good resale value. It's got keyless entry, got clean Carfax, non-smoker, got your tinted windows, got power windows, locks, power mirrors, got clean carpets, clean cloth seats. It's only got 31,453 miles. Very low miles. Cruise control, AM/FM CD. There's your climate control. Automatic transmission, cup holders, storage. The interior of the truck is just like new. There's your owner's manual, wheel lock. There's 2 glove box. Comfortable truck. It's been serviced, ready to go. Got a nice roomy back seat. They have storage compartment under the seat, both sides. Got some BF Goodrich tire, got plenty of thread. Very clean. It's got the 4-liter V6. Plenty of power and reliable. This truck comes with the remainder of the full factory warranty. If you're looking for a nice truck in good condition at an affordable price, this should do it. We do have competitive financing available with low rates and good terms. Give you a low payment. To see if this truck's still for sale, go to my website, Sunsetmilan.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, it's sold. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, if you have any other question, give me a call at any time. Toll free is 866-933-4680. Thank you for watching.